Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, we're going to talk about the almost $200 million in short squeezes that occurred over the last 3 days, driving up the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto markets in a big way, riding off the negative news of the bank runs on the actual banks here in the US. Was the second largest bank collapse here in the history of America. Happened just a few days ago. The Fed bailed them out, and it looks like the fight against inflation will have to continue. Investors are looking at this news as something bullish. We got to talk a little bit about why, and also the CPI data that came out today and what it means for the markets ahead. We're going to keep this one short, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So do not miss out on that, folks. We are at a $1.1 trillion market cap, a beautiful, beautiful bounce off the $1 trillion market cap for crypto overall, which was great. Bitcoin dominance was as high as 45% today, which is crazy. Over the last 7 days, it is up 12.78%, 2.54% on the last 24 hours. It was all the way above $26,000 today. We finally broke above the $25,300 price level, but didn't have an immediate breakout to $30,000. Well, guys, not to worry, just all within the retracement levels that we'll talk about here in a second. But let's look at this overall market cap real quick, because we did break up and actually cross past a level that we've been looking at to hopefully break above for a while. We broke above it, coming back down just a little bit, a healthy retracement after so much upside. Nothing goes straight up, guys. But I do think that we should continue moving up. I think this is a small retracement after we broke back above the $1 trillion level. I don't know, at least here, maybe next week, maybe off the FOMC meeting that comes next week. Maybe we move back down to the $1 trillion level on some fear with that, depending on what the Fed decides to do. But I could say, guys, that we don't necessarily have to test this $1 trillion level again. We could just consolidate sideways or move up slowly, leading to the next bull market potentially. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below. But yeah, as you can see here, Bitcoin went all the way up to $26,378. These are some of the levels that we talked about very consistently on the channel. Obviously bounced beautifully off the low end of this channel that we drew at $19,500, which was spectacular. I didn't expect it to shatter this level at $23,300 so fast, but it did. Broke even the $25,300 price level, made it to $26,000, and kind of hit the top of a channel that a lot of folks are looking at here, back all the way really from, like, I think it's all the way in October that most people are looking at something like this. This is kind of the level that it seems people are looking at. There's a channel kind of right there that people are keeping an eye on, and it seems like we are kind of playing a game here. I would not be surprised, guys, to see a Bitcoin. Hopefully we get a daily close. If we can get a daily close on Bitcoin above 25,300, there's a chance for more upside back to $26,000. If we do not get a daily close above $25,300 by the end of the day, then I can expect us in the next few days to kind of come back down to this $23,280 something level, $23,300 level. Leading into the the FOMC meeting next week on the 21st and 22nd of March. If the Fed comes out from that point and says, hey, we're not going to raise the interest rates, I expect us to make our way back up to the $25,000 line and possibly trying to break past the most recent high here that we made as of late at the $26,300 and something price level. So we'll keep an eye on that for you guys, but something to think about. Some of the things that happened today: one, CPI data came out, but it was within expectations. So this just kept the bullish momentum going. Nothing crazy, nothing shocking. That being said, I think the biggest event, folks, is the fact that the FOMC meeting is coming out, and they will decide whether they're raising the interest rates by 0.25, 0.5, or 0%, or doing a rate decrease, which not a lot of people are talking about right now. It's possible. It's not likely. I think the most likely thing is that they're going to pause the Fed rate hike altogether so that these banks can get back on track. Note that the March FOMC meeting is coming up on the 22nd and 21st, so be on the lookout for that Monday and Tuesday of next week. We'll be talking more about that, but that's some of the recent volatility we had in Bitcoin, guys. Keep an eye out for some of those price levels we talked about. Note that the reason Bitcoin was able to make such big moves, exactly like we talk about here on the channel, is because of greedy leverage trading out there, and it was the shorts that got wrecked this time. Something we've been also talking about on the channel, and we were expecting a big short squeeze. Look at the video title from yesterday, short squeeze. Here it is, and boom, about $200 million worth of shorts were liquidated. That being said, alongside, about 140 million were actually squeezed in the last 2 days alone. So these are things to look at, guys. Excuse me, actually, it looks like well over. You're talking about almost $600 million, maybe $500 million, $500 million were short squeezed in the last few days. So the shorts are losing more than longs. The bears are losing for now. We'll have to keep an eye out on the FOMC meeting next week, and keep an eye out just on the chart, and we'll talk a little bit more about this in our live stream tonight, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded lion to one lucky subscriber. So check that out. And if you're a member on the channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every month you're a member. If you want to become a member, you get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with Black Sea and me. Also, you get loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and the live chats, along with these emojis during our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That is all we got here today, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, do not forget to DCA, hodl. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.